Thanks guys for joining me today here in MarineMax in Minnesota and Rogers. Today we get to walk you through this 2027 Sea Ray. This is an SPX 210, 21-foot boat with a tower and a bimini. This has the Sea Ray blue hull side and bottom. Comes with the trailer, dual axle. One of my favorite boats, especially for this area here in Minnesota. Easy to trailer, fits in garages, 12-person boat. It's got the Mercury 4.5, 250 horsepower engine with the stainless steel prop. So get you up on plane, get you tubing, skiing, whatever it is the family wants to do. We do have the nice manual swim step that drops down, so you trim the stern drive all the way down, put that down, stand on it, sit on it. Cool place to sit in the water. We've got the nice sun pad here in the back, sea decking along the back. So why don't you join me aboard and let's take a look at it. All right, thanks for joining me here. So as we come in, again, a nice sun pad here in the back. Love the walkthrough, you know, nice true walkthrough, easy to step from dock onto the back of your boat, into the boat. We do have a little bit of storage underneath there with the battery switch. Some more storage there. As we look into the cockpit, we've got nice some L-shaped seating. Seat right behind the captain. We've got a nice bench seat that goes across. This also is a built-in cooler with a drain. We've got some place right here for some storage. This whole thing is storage underneath there. We've got the backrest that does move, so it's sitting forward. It can move to sit aft as well. As you can see, this one's got sea deck all the way through. Dries up really quickly, really soft on the feet. Here, I'll show you the storage here in the floor. Super deep. This does have a one-piece travel cover, not a snap cover, but a travel cover. Nice deep storage for anything wet down there, skis, life jackets, dock lines, whatever you want. And then we come to the captain's chair, the helm. We've got the nice captain's seat. It does have a bolster that does fold down and up. The chair moves forward and back and spins. And right behind here you can see this is the subwoofer. So we do have the Fusion stereo in this boat. Speakers all over. This is the upgraded stereo package. This does have LED lighting in the cup holders. And then as we come to the helm here, we got the Fusion stereo head unit. We got accent cut lighting, some courtesy lighting, anchor, blower, pretty standard stuff. Again, 4.5, 250. This year we have the new Simrad Ultra screen, a little bit wider, wide screen. Same information in it, just gives you a nice wider screen. We've got nice storage here on the port side. Nice and deep for 21 feet. As we come to the bow, again, speakers up here, storage underneath, locker for your anchor. This 21-foot boat is 8 feet 6 inches wide. Nice big 21-footer. Just a great boat. Easy to maneuver, easy to drive. Here at our Rogers location. One last thing, the tower does fold. So if you do need to fold the tower down, those just unscrew right here. This is here in Rogers on our showroom. Come on down anytime or give us a call to set up an appointment.